Now would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I could be your hero, baby. I could get away to play.
Mamaya.
I'll stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.
Dognat.
That you always be
Mama, ito ni Yosef.
Ano yung hawak mo?
Would you like
Robert! Ako naman.
Sorry, huwag mo nang durugin, kilalagay mo din sa ano.
lost my mind.
Hindi ko lalagay muna. Huhugasan pa yung paa.
I don't care. You're
Yes.
here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.
Electric fan.
Ding 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 ding.
Ito yung video
Smoking
niya,
dudes na to.
pinugutan yung babae.
Instant tsaka joke.
Yung video niya, pinugutan yung babae. Yun na lang, oh. Ito ba?
Oh, saan ba yun?
Ayun yan.
Hindi.
Ayun yung pare. Parang may pinugutan sa kanila.
Wala.
Meron pa.
Ano ba?
Hindi lang pinakita
Sa
sa
video?
video.
Oo. Wala.
Nandun na siya sa disyerto, no?
Ayun nga yun, di ba?
Hindi. Yung nagmamuka naman.
Oh, I just wanna hold you.
Gago, alam ba rin?
I just wanna hold you. I'm in too deep.
Have I lost my mind?
I don't care. You're here tonight.
Puro hinga.
I can be your hero, baby. Oh yeah.
Hintay ka na sa Milby dyan.
Yeah, I can kiss
Saan may yan sa
away the
maybe?
pain.
Iyan mo pare, naririnig daw ng...
Only you.
Distansya mo.
I will stand by you forever.
Tumay na.
Sunod mo yung taas mo. Taas na yan.
You can take my breath away.
Yan ang mataas na yan.
I can be your hero. I can kiss away the pain.
Ano pare?
I will stand by you forever.
May umusok.
You can take
Kanino galing yun?
my breath away. You can take my breath away. And I can be your hero.
Akin na, sayang pa.
Buti mo po post yan.